We've invited different people to find out why self-promotion is hard and explain why they fear it so much. Now, try to write down what makes you remarkable.
Whew.
Do you want a whole page?
How did it feel to write it down?
Yeah, tough, I think. It didn't come naturally, I wouldn't say.
Instinctively, I was thinking, oh, how little can I get away with putting on the paper? But once you start writing and you start thinking about the things that you've achieved, they sort of pile up on each other. Like, oh, actually, I could talk about this.
Can you read it out loud?
Okay. I am remarkable because I have made customers smile.
I've started my own business.
I'm remarkable because I successfully balance a job and a business.
I'm remarkable because I've rebranded 250 stores into a company portfolio.
I work hard to be a good boss.
I am the first one in my family to go to uni.
How did it feel to read it out loud?
Saying out loud was harder than writing it, I guess.
It felt like it was somebody else's CV as opposed to my own.
Initially, you sort of feel unworthy, but then actually all of those things, they're all true.
Yeah, it felt really good.
I am capable. That's what this list has helped me realise.
It's probably the first time I've sat down and thought about what my actual accomplishments were. I should be selling myself, not that I held this position in this company and did this job. It should be that in this company I achieved this, I saved this, I grew this.
In those moments where I'm not feeling so sparkly and remarkable, I'll sort of think back to sitting in this chair having this conversation and saying, yeah, I am remarkable.